objectives of our policy: promotion of fitness and yoga, Ayurvedic medicines, awareness about health, fitness and a strong immune system, promoting walking and cycling habit in our country, making our healthcare system even more efficient, demoting the use of wine, beer and tobacco in India. Topic 1. Demoting the use of wine, beer and tobacco. These things are responsible and the base of the most of the deaths in India. It also promotes air pollution by cigarettes, land pollution by glass, which cannot be decomposed and also affects the immune system of that being. It is also the major cause of waste generation and uncivilness in India. Our policy: gradually decrease the usage of wine and tobacco to 50% in India by taking measures like Sharab Bandi and banning the tobacco companies in next 10 years, and also gradually decrease and at last ban imports of these things. But this will affect the economy. For that, promote the production of wine, beer and tobacco for export so that we can export good quality there and can equalize the loss. The loss of the farmers can also be equalized by giving them compensation. For the health of our citizens, we should take the risk. Topic 2. Promoting walking and cycling habits in the citizens. The 5% of the population is affected with obesity, but the problem is even more further because of the screen time. Bikes and cars are damaging the health, disease fighting mechanism of body and their muscles and bone health too. People are getting lethargic and the best way to reduce is to exercise, but all do not have so much of time these days for exercise, so we planned a strategy for it. The government of India should officially develop an app which promotes walking and cycling on the basis of the time they cycled and the step numbers in a day by rewarding them app coins and discounts on the items they can purchase. If this app will go popular, it also has the capacity to boost the economy because more and more companies will offer their products and the app will grow. This app should be made mandatory in all the mobiles like Arogya Setu was done. Topic 3. Promotion of yoga and the real Ayurveda in the country. The yoga. Yoga is a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. Man is a physical, mental and spiritual being. Yoga helps promote a balanced development of all the three. Yoga centers should be made by government in every district to promote yoga. The yoga center should be free of cost and that will give a huge boost to the health of the citizens. If we invest in human resource development, we will get a higher benefit in the coming years. The real Ayurveda medicines should be preferred by the hospitals wherever possible. The allopathic does not treat disease. It just suppresses the disease, but Ayurveda can treat the disease, and by this, the culture of India will also get promoted. The Ayurveda plants like giloy are of huge use, but they aren't used widely. The government must show their concern towards the Ayurveda. The growth of the medicinal plants should also be promoted. This will lead to afforestation, high export, like this Ayurveda will be widely used.